Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed something, but your wallet was a little light? Maybe you spotted the perfect pair of shoes, or that new gadget you've been eyeing. And then it hits you, Zippay. But wait, does Zippay accept American Express? Let's dive in and find out. Zippay is a popular buy now, pay later, BNPL, service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. It's a convenient way to spread out the cost of larger items. But not all credit cards are created equal. Some BNPL services might have restrictions on which cards they accept. So, does Zippay play nice with American Express? Answering the question, the short answer is, it depends. While Zippay generally accepts a wide range of credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, there might be certain circumstances where American Express is not accepted. This could be due to factors like your specific Zippay account status, the merchant you're shopping with, or even the terms and conditions set by American Express itself. Factors affecting acceptance. Zippay account status. If you have a history of late payments or missed installments with Zippay, your eligibility for certain payment methods might be restricted. Merchant policies. Some merchants may have their own preferred payment methods or limitations. It's always a good idea to check with the merchant directly before making a purchase. American Express terms. American Express may have specific rules or agreements in place that affect its compatibility with BNPL services like Zippay. How to check acceptance. If you're unsure whether Zippay accepts American Express for a particular purchase, here are a few steps you can take. Check your Zippay account. Log into your Zippay account and look for any information about accepted payment methods. There might be a section that lists the supported credit cards. Contact Zippay customer service. If you can't find the information you need online, reach out to Zippay's customer support team. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date details. Inquire with the merchant. Before making a purchase, contact the merchant and ask if they accept Zippay payments made with American Express. Alternatives to American Express. If Zippay doesn't accept American Express for your desired purchase, don't worry. There are other options available. Different credit card. Try using a different credit card that Zippay does accept, such as Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. Alternative BNPL service. If you prefer to use a BNPL service, explore other options that might accept American Express. There are several BNPL providers in the market, each with its own terms and conditions. Traditional financing. Consider traditional financing methods like personal loans or store credit cards if you need to spread out the cost of a purchase. So, does Zippay accept American Express? While it generally does, there are factors that can influence acceptance. The best way to determine if American Express is a viable payment option is to check your Zippay account, contact customer support, or inquire with the merchant directly. If Zippay doesn't work out, explore other options like different credit cards, alternative BNPL services, or traditional financing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.